Hi, I'm Diane DiResta, author of Knockout Presentations and CEO of DiResta Communications, where we're dedicated to making you more powerful. Our approach is the science of speaking, what confidence looks like, sounds like, and how to speak the language of confidence. What's happening in the news right now is the presidential campaign. I heard a very interesting dialogue the other day. Newt Gingrich admitted that his strategy did not work against Mitt Romney when he was talking about Bain Capital, accusing him of costing people jobs. Now Obama is going after the same strategy, and the belief it won't work. And the reason is because the American people believe in the free enterprise system and the right to make profits. So what does this mean? Insanity is doing the same thing over and over again and expecting a different result. I see this all the time in my coaching sessions. People have a message that they are so wedded to that they want to deliver it no matter what. They figure if they do it with enough intensity, enough passion, they'll get it into the minds of the listeners. But when a message simply doesn't resonate with your audience, it's time for a different message. So if you're one of those people who are having difficulty getting the message to land, maybe you need a different message, or at least a different way of delivering the message. If that's you, give me a call and we'll work out a strategy during one of our coaching sessions. I wish you success on the platform of life, and may every presentation be a knockout.